Thanks for watching Jeazie TV. I am JuJu, and on today's episode of What to Do Ju, I will be unboxing a lifestyle box that I received from Influenced Network. So stay tuned. Before you go any further, make sure you like this video because it really helps me out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload something new to do. So now we got that out the way, like I was saying, I'm about to unbox this lifestyle box that I received from Influenced Network. I'm super excited to see what's inside because they don't tell us what's inside, so it's a surprise. So I'm about to be opening up with you. So here we go. Alright, so the inside of the box right there. You can see that. Alright, so it says, life ain't a rehearsal, the camera's always rolling, so come and get a portion of this money that we blowing. That's Drake, if y'all didn't know. That's cute, that's cute. So anyway, so on the inside we have this here. Okay, this is the QR code. We have to scan this so we can know exactly what, oh, rewind. Let me go back really quick because I didn't really explain it to you guys. So in this lifestyle box, they have about 5 different items from 5 different companies. And basically what they want us as influencers to do is to make like maybe a reel on Instagram or, you know, a video using their items. So this QR code right here is what we have to scan, you know, just to get information on the brands and to see what they want us to do for us to get compensated. So this is important to have. All right, so let's jump in here and see what else is in here. All right, so this here is the Hydra Plus. It's intensive moisture. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we're gonna find out. Okay, we're gonna find out. So that is right there. That is from a company called Barber. Okay. All right, so next in here we have Blink. This is a ultra volume tubing mascara. Okay, I can use that. I can definitely use that on my little eyelashes I got. So there it goes right there. Put it to the side. There we go. Put it to the side so y'all can see it better. Okay. All right. So what else we got in here? What else we got in here? All right, we have Lumen Skin Miracle Mist. I'm not doing my YouTube hands right. Alright, so next up we have the Thin Energy Complete, the healthy alternative. Oh, this has vitamin D, elderberry, zinc, vitamin C, it's caffeine free, and it's plant-based. Okay, vegan. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. Turn it that way. It looks like it's just those little powders that you put into your water. So yeah, that'll be good because I'm going to be using this after Thanksgiving because I got to get my life back together after we eat all that food, okay? Alright, so yeah, this is mango ginger. Alright, so next up I have the Aroma 360. Oh, okay. It comes with the oil. You know, the little things you put the oils in, smell good, have your room smelling good. Yes. So it comes with the little sticks. So you put the oil in there with the sticks. Have your room smelling real fresh and clean, okay? And that is all that I have in this little box. Got a little confetti in here, cute and whatnot. So yeah, with this I'm gonna be making like some reels and stuff on like Instagram and what's the other one? TikTok and stuff like that, promoting their products. Now you can get these lifestyle boxes too, okay? If you're an influencer, if you're a smaller influencer like myself, and you think that you have to have like 10,000 or so subscribers or followers, you don't. You can go to a company like Influence Network. I will put the link down below, so if you are interested in signing up to be a part of Influence, you can. They actually send out life boxes 6 times a year. So they don't let you know what's in it, so they just send you the free stuff and you can unbox it, do whatever kind of videos, pictures, whatever you want to do with it. And you get compensated for that, okay? Get your coins, okay? So you might as well join in with the fun. And it's also just like a networking platform. You can network with other influencers. You guys can, you know, feed off of each other. You can go and check out each other's content and, you know, become followers from each other, you know, help each other out. So yes, if you want to become a part of Influence, like I said, I will have that in the bio below, okay? Also, you know, if y'all join, I get a little kickback. I get a little something for it, so I just thought I'd let y'all know that. So go ahead and check it out. All right, so on my next video, well, it won't be the next one, but my video after my next one, I will give you guys more information on companies like Influenced and other places where I receive free gifts and sponsorships, and, you know, get compensated for my videos and stuff. Being a nano influencer, a smaller little bitty influencer, and you can do it as well. So I will be giving you all the info on that video, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you come back when you see me post a video, okay? Alright, so that is really all I have for you guys for this one. I just wanted to unbox that, let you guys see that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. That's going to be below too, so you can see these reels and pictures and stuff that I post for these companies. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching, y'all. Peace.